Chia seeds are exceptionally high in dietary fiber with about 10 grams per ounce or 2 tablespoons, roughly 40% of your daily recommended intake. This fiber forms a gel in your stomach that slows digestion and helps you feel full longer. That gel also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, acting as a prebiotic. The gel helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels by slowing nutrient absorption. Chia seeds are top tier for plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, about 5 grams per ounce, more than salmon gram for gram. The main omega-3 in chia is alpha-linolenic acid, which supports heart and brain health and helps reduce inflammation. Chia seeds offer about 5 grams of complete protein per ounce, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Because they are a complete plant protein, chia seeds support muscle repair and growth and are ideal for vegans and vegetarians. Chia seeds are dense in bones, supporting minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and manganese. Per ounce, chia seeds provide about 18% of your daily calcium, more than most dairy sources gram for gram. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, quercetin, and kaempferol. These polyphenols protect the seeds from rancidity and neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing chronic disease risk. Chia seeds are low in net carbs, with about 12 grams total carbs minus 10 grams fiber for roughly 2 grams net carbs per ounce. Because the fiber is not digested into sugar, chia seeds have minimal impact on blood glucose, making them suitable for diabetic and ketogenic diets. Chia seeds deliver fiber, omega-3s, complete protein, and bone minerals in a tiny, low-net carb package, making them one of the most nutrient-dense foods per calorie.